Hello, my name is Laura Gonzalez. My colleague Rebecca Tunstall and I are excited to welcome you into our new 5-hour course built for English Learner Portal. It's called Project-Based Learning in Multilingual Classrooms. The reason that we created this course is you, because we know that teachers are not just search engines. We don't just pull up little pieces of information and spit them out at the students. At our very best, teachers can be facilitators of active learning and can empower students of all types to ask and answer questions that are relevant to their lives. And we're especially excited to introduce or develop your knowledge of project-based learning. PBL is a great teaching method in which students learn by actively investigating authentic, relevant, and complex questions together. So you might think that sounds like a really great strategy, but you might be wondering, why should I disrupt everything I'm already doing to try this new teaching method? Why try PBL? Well, especially if you are working with multilingual learners, we know that students in PBL classrooms develop deep content knowledge as well as critical thinking skills, collaboration skills, creativity, and communication skills. And I think we can all agree that that really sounds like what we want for our multilingual learners or newcomer students, that we certainly want them to have a grasp of English language as well as the content areas where they're studying, and that we also want them to have this ability to ask good questions, be critical thinkers, to use communication skills and collaboration effectively as they're adapting to their life in a new country. And so in this way, project-based learning is a great fit for newcomer students who may have strong life skills from their previous experiences, but perhaps have experienced interruptions in their formal education. And so your next question might be, I'm not sure if PBL is going to work with my particular set of students, insert adjectives. And so if you feel a little bit doubtful, we can't wait to show you this video of this adorable kindergarten class and their project that has to do with lost pets. You'll really want to see it. And so after you have a chance to see how these kindergarten students transform themselves with their PBL project, I know that you'll want to empower your students in that way once you see how this kindergarten class has responded. And perhaps it's true that we professionals are the ones who need some encouragement to step out of our comfort zone and step into these PBL strategies. And so if that's the case, then we really invite you to consider this 5-hour asynchronous course that is going to be launching for the first time this summer 2024. In the course, you will consider how well you are doing in serving the multilingual students or newcomer students that are currently in your classroom, and then learn how to craft really excellent guiding questions in order to start transitioning towards a project-based learning model. You'll also build comfort with a culture of questions in the classroom, with building that vivid and exciting learning culture. You will also then identify and or address the potential challenges or the worries that you have in mind as you consider what it would mean to implement PBL. And we'll also provide some real-life models for you and help you step by step as you create your own PBL lesson. So I hope that you've seen enough that you are at least intrigued and maybe even convinced. So please do join us on this exciting journey into PBL for multilingual classrooms. You can register through English Learner Portal starting this summer 2024.